Hi, it's Steve here from SMC County Garage SEAT, and you join me on a lovely sunny day here in New Snabbit, where I'm going to show you a very nice 2021 SEAT Ateca 1 litre SE technology finished in Nevada white metallic. Now, this short little video is going to show you some of the highlights and some of the features of this vehicle. And the first thing you notice when you look at the Ateca is that you've got plenty of interior space, so a nice high driving position, height adjustment on both front seats, and also plenty of space in the rear. So there are 2 ISOFIX fitments, so if you are carrying little people that require the car seats, you can fix those to the 2 outside seats, as well as having a centre person as well using a 3-point belt. Now you've got parking sensors all the way around on this model, as well as a huge boot, and if I pull this little lever here, it also, there you go, allows the seat to drop forward, and you can do that on the other side, or that little centre part also drops down to give you access to the boot even when you're on a journey if you need to. Now that also doubles up, and you can see if I spin the camera around into an armrest, so I can pull that centre part down, and if there's only 2 of you in the rear, you can actually double that up as an armrest. Now the specification on the SE technology is huge. It comes with a lot of standard features, sensors at the front, sensors at the back. It also has the option of self-parking if you're brave enough. Keyless entry, digital radio, a nice big touchscreen media system which does incorporate Android Auto and Apple CarPlay depending on your phone preference. The built-in navigation system is very simple to operate, just runs with a postcode if that's how you'd like to operate it. And then if you want to get a bit more involved, you can personalize the display depending on what your preference is. Now all of the modern cars have a whole host of driving assistant aids. So this one has dual zone climate control, as well as a wireless phone charger and a pair of USB-Cs. A 6-speed manual gearbox and the auto electronic handbrake. And if you engage reverse, you then get the visual display to show you where the objects are. Onto the wheel are the cruise control settings. As I say, this particular car has covered just over 58,000 miles and has been fantastically serviced through the SEAT network all the way through, and hopefully this video picks up how good the condition is of this one. Someone's obviously looked after this car very well. We're going to be selling this one with a new MOT, a 12-month warranty, as well as a 12-month yearly service. So you'd never think that this has covered 58,000 miles. Hopefully you've liked the video, and if you have, give us a comment, give us a like, and I say until the next one, thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.